Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone.
And we're looking at page 24 of Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician. And we're starting with Song of the Sea, going into rhythm prep. Parts A and B will be clapping, and I will add the accounting, and part C will be adding the trombone part in. And in this, we're working on doing our ties from a quarter note into an eighth note, which will shortly become how we do the dotted quarter notes, which is, you can see at the top of page 25 is where that starts coming in. And here we go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Here's 106. This is part A. One, two, three. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as we get into part A, or leave part A, go to part B, we have the tied notes connected together. So you're going to see me holding my hands together on those tied notes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And part C. Microphone back though. One, two, three. That leads us to rhythm prep, the last on page 24. This is the dotted quarter note into the eighth note, giving you that 1, 2, and 3, 4 timing. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.